I'm Batman.
Hey everybody, James here, and we are talking about a 2015 Viper that a client brought into us here recently. As you can see, the front bumper and the rocker panels have been removed on this vehicle. The reason being is he's putting a full satin wrap on this vehicle. However, the front bumper had been replaced and repainted and was peeling, so we're taking care of that. And then he's replacing both rocker panels with the ACR versions of that performance kit. So the ACR was the American Club Racing that was first introduced on the 1999 Vipers. So that's what we're doing on this vehicle, is basically taking care of the front bumper, the rear the rocker panels, getting them put back into pre-loss condition so he can get it wrapped here in about 45 days. Okay, so these are the parts off of the Viper that we just got done showing you. And what we're talking about as far as the peeling is, it has an original finish underneath, but as you can see, this is where the Dodge emblem goes. And whoever worked on it last time, they simply masked off the emblem. And that's why you have a glossy edge here. The reason that you do not do that is for delamination. So what's gonna happen, luckily we're taking care of it, but if we had not addressed this issue, it's gonna start to peel and delaminate, which it's already started to do on the edges, which is why we're painting it. And then on the rocker panels here, these are the ACR ones. Customer brought these in, they're the used ones, but what we're in the process of doing is sanding them down, removing all the rock chips, road rash, and then on the back by the exhaust over here, you can see we're in the process of removing the paint back down to bare metal. Simply because if you look closely, you can see the brown. The brown's even up here. That means that the exhaust has at some point been too hot, or the metal's gotten too hot, which has actually burned the paint. So we know the paint will fail at a certain point, which means what we have to do is remove that paint back down to bare metal, epoxy it, primer surfacer it, prep it, and then paint it. Today's the day of final delivery on our 2015 Dodge Viper. On the front here, it had been peeling, so completely broke it down. Stripped it down below what was peeling, primer surfaced it, and repainted it. And then down the sides here on both rockers, if you recall, one was silver, one was white. They were used, that's what the customer brought us. Same thing, we'd stripped them down, taken care of whatever damage there was, especially on the very bottom. You really don't see it, it's a race car, but we took care of all of that, smoothed them up, and then took care of the details. Like from the factory here, we have two different gloss levels, two different blacks. So this is more of an eggshell, kind of a satin finish, and then this is the true body color with the full clear coat on it. So customers from out of town, interesting thing is we've never met him personally, but he's gonna be coming through town either today or next Monday. He's taking it down to Texas to have some custom modifications done, especially Viper shop it sounds like, and then he's gonna bring it back to town where Wichita Clear Bra will be finishing up their satin wrap on the front bumper, rockers, and the hood assembly. And then he'll be taking it to the racetrack and getting some serious action out of it. So Batman, why did you decide to bring us the Batmobile for your paint repairs on your vehicle?
For your quality repairs.
Well, that's really nice to know, Batman, because not a lot of superheroes know about the time and effort and energy we put into repairing their special machines back to pre-loss condition with the finest products and workmanship that we can afford to do.
And that's why I trust you.
Well, Batman, that means a lot. So now if you can just remember to send the rest of the family, maybe Robin, Wonder Woman, even Catwoman, send them all to us if you're happy with the repairs. And
love it.
Well, that's awesome, Batman. Appreciate it. That works, Batman. Are you thinking about it? You happy?
I need a button where I got a ram and just scoots people out the way, and a booster. Take off. There goes the Hummer. Yeah.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you can follow us on our journey with all these unique, amazing vehicles that we're working on. Thanks for watching.